Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first call inside your community. So you're going to go ahead and click on the calendar tab and you're going to select one of the formats. So for me, inside my community, I mostly do Q&A calls. So I'm going to go ahead and select Q&A and you can go ahead and name this event. So let me call this System Box Q&A session. And then you are going to select date. When is this happening? I usually do my calls once every week on Thursdays at 3 p.m. EST. So I'm going to select that at 3 p.m. EST. And then you can select if this is a recurring event, meaning you want it to happen every week on Thursday at the same time, or this is just a one-time event. If you want it to happen weekly, then you're just going to check this. If this is a one-time event, you are going to turn this off, okay? If it's a recurring event, add the settings here. So repeat every once a week or twice a week. Repeat on Thursdays, end, and then you can put an end date. I usually do not have an end date because, I do these calls every week. And then the location. So you can select where is this call happening. Is it happening on Zoom? Is it happening on Skool itself? Or is it going to happen on Google Meet? Is it like a live event that's happening? You can add the address there. Or it's happening elsewhere, then just link it, okay? But normally I recommend that you use either Zoom or Skool Call. And then you're going to add description to your event. Let people know what this event is all about and what are you going to cover in this event. And then who do you want to access on this call? So normally I give access to all the members inside my community. But you can specify exactly who you want to be on the call. For example, if you want to do the call only for members at a certain level, then you're going to select this and then select the level. Okay, if you want members from a specific tier, let's say you have 2-3 tiers for your community and you want this call to be available only for people at a specific tier, you can specify that here. Or if you want to do this call for members who have access to a specific course, you can specify that here. Right, so that's how you create your first event. And then make sure that this is turned on. So Skool is going to remind everyone or whoever you selected about the call a day before, okay? And then just click here on add. All right, so you can see here the event is already scheduled for every week, every Thursday, once a week, okay? If you want to make changes to the event, let's say on 5th of March, maybe I'm going to be late. I'm not going to be doing the call on 3 p.m. I might do it later on at 5 p.m. So you can just go ahead and click on these 3 dots and then edit event, this event, edit, and then you can change the time here. You can select the duration as well, your time zone, or let's say you want to change the location. You don't want this to happen on a Skool call. You want this to happen on a Zoom call. So you can just change the location and then add the Zoom link. All right, so that's how easy it is. Now, what is the difference between a Skool call and a Skool webinar? Okay. So a Skool call is basically a call happening inside of Skool, and it's normally a Q&A call where members can join the call and you can interact with the members. Members can ask questions on the call and you can answer them, right? So it's like a normal call that you normally have on Zoom, right? It's like a conversation happening between a group of people. Now, a Skool webinar, on the other hand, it's sort of like you presenting something, right? So it's you on a full screen and you're teaching or showing something, you're presenting something. There's not much interaction between you and the users watching your presentation. So that is the difference. If you want members to be on the call and they're interacting with you, they're asking questions, they're talking to you, then go for a Skool call. If you want to do sort of a presentation or you want to teach them something and you want all the attention to be on you, then go for a Skool webinar.